Good morning, bikers and babes. It's Rick Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're gonna repair a motorcycle jack lift. Okay, here's my jack lift. It's been in storage. As you can see, the rubber pieces are already missing off the thing. But the biggest issue is it's not lifting all the way. It's only lifting just enough to hold the bike straight up. So I'm gonna recharge the bottle jack. I got this stuff at Walmart. It's about what I need to get this going. I understand you can probably use steering fluid, stuff like that, but hey, this is under $5 at Walmart. It's got stop leak. See if that works, but nevertheless I just need to get it to lift the bike up to do some stuff on it. Okay, so here's the jack. I'm gonna flip it over on its side so I can do that hammer in my hand. And right here, I think that's where you fill it. Yep, that's nothing but a rubber cap. Okay, so I use some pliers, but I don't want to rip it up. There we go. We're gonna fill that sucker. I took out the safety cap. This thing already has a hole in it, so I'm just gonna put it in. Here it goes. Even with the little tip, I make a mess. Okay, it's full now. The little cap on it. I removed the spring to get access to that. So now okay, I used a little persuasion with a screwdriver. What I did was I just kind of continuously tucked it in until I got it in, and I was able to push it down, straight down like this. And be careful not to rip the rubber plug. But it looks like I got it in there. Let's try it out. Let's see. Before, I only went about that high. I want to get it to pass at least the last safety tab. Okay, I guess that's about how it's gonna go. It's still going. There it goes. Alright. I think that'll work. I'm gonna get the bike that high. Alright. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. And as always, God bless you and get out and ride.